Welcome to Excel in Everything YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you some Excel tricks that will help you to save time. Okay. So you have tables in multiple sheets and you want to apply the same formula and same formatting across all these sheets. So how you do it is, you first select control and select all of these sheets. Then you put the formula in the first sheet. And you apply the formatting also to the first sheet. Then you right click on one of the sheet tabs and select ungroup sheets. Now you can see the same formula and the same formatting has been applied across all the selected sheets. Point to remember here is that the columns and rows has to be similar across all these sheets for this to be applied. Next we have sales value in 3 different currencies: Chinese, Russian and Italy, and we want to convert all of these into dollars using the respective exchange rate. So this is the expected outcome table. How are you going to get it? From one click. You select the exchange rates and copy. Then you select this data set, go to pay special, select values, then multiply. What happens is, the sales value gets multiplied by the respective exchange rates. Now say, here we have months in the column and in the rows you have the countries. So you want to change these rows and columns. So what you should, you don't have to type them again. You select this, copy, go to separate location, go to pay special, select transpose. Now you can see the columns and rows have been interchanged. Right. Next we have a table with quantities and unit prices for different items. And what we have done is, we have multiplied the quantity by the unit price to get the sales value for each item, and to get the total we have used the sum formula. There is one formula that you can use at one go to get this output 44. Simple. You type equal sum product, then you give the first column which has the quantity, then you give the next column which has the unit price. Then it will give you the total sales value of all of these products. This 44 at one go. Fine. Next I'll show you how you can quickly navigate across a table. Say if this table has so many columns, it will be very difficult for you to go from one end to another. So you want to go to the rightmost cell. You select control and the right arrow key. So you want to go to the downmost cell. You select control and the down arrow key. So you want to go to the leftmost cell. You select control and the left arrow key. So it's easy navigation. Now you want to select the entire column. So you click on the cell and you select control space. The entire column will get selected, and you can do anything you want to do to that column. You can highlight it, you can change the color, any formatting. So you want to select the entire row at one go. Shift space, the entire row will get selected. Say you want to add a column. So first you select the column, control space, and then control shift and equal. A column is being added. So you want to delete this column, what you do is control minus. Okay. Now say when you have a table as large as this, when you go down, the column headings disappear. So it's difficult for you to sort of know what this column heading is. So what you can do is, there's an easy way to freeze the column names and the row names. Okay. What you do is, you select this cell and then you go to view, freeze panes, and select freeze panes. What happens is, the row above this particular cell you selected and the column to the left of the particular cell you selected will be frozen. So now when you navigate, you can see, when you navigate down, you can still see the column headings, and when you navigate to your right, you can still see the row headings. You can get the sum easily without the sum formula. You select Alt and the equal sign, the entire row gets summed up, and you want to apply this formula to the entire column. So you select Control Shift N, the entire column gets selected, and then you select Control D. You get the sum applied to the entire column.